First, self-respect attracts respect. Find reasons to respect what and who you are, and that thinking will carry into everything you do. Next, dress in quality clothing. Your appearance speaks before you do. Wear clothes that say, "I'm comfortable with who I am, successful," and select clothing that speaks well of me. Clothing does not have to be super expensive, such as a certain brand, but does need to communicate quality. Third, hold your body as someone who rests in confidence. Create an image in front of you, resting in complete confidence, competence, and someone others respect. Notice the detail of your shoulders, the way you move your head, and how this image of you feels. Walk into that confident image of yourself many times a day as you teach your subconscious. Fourth, move and act with confidence. Imagine how you would move if you fully loved and respected yourself. Merge with that image several times a day. You're teaching your subconscious about a change you want to create. Fifth, when others act aggressively towards you, if you can't avoid them, lean in with a smile. Nothing disarms an intimidator more than someone leaning in with a smile. Sixth, speaking of speaking, speak only when necessary. While some people love the sound of their voice and believe they must offer an opinion on everything, the truly confident don't. Those who command respect say very little. Let your thoughts, movements, and actions speak for you. Self-respect attracts respect. If you don't respect yourself, no one else will. Confidence and power are gained through silence, not blabbing on and on about how great you. Intentionally cultivate these 6 keys and watch the respect develop from others. Thanks for joining us today at the Change Capability Institute.